Allah said that when it is said to them, believe, they say, do we believe like the fools believe? No doubt they are the fools, but they don't know. وَلَكِنْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. They are the fools. If you don't believe in Allah, and you think that if you become believer, that you understand now, you know not. You have no knowledge that you are the fools. And what Allah said, وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قَالُوا آمَنَّا. When they believe, to those believe, they say we believe. We believe. Maniniwala kami, pananampalataya kami. But when they are with their devils, they say we are with you. To them we are joking. So these not just fools, but they have a hypocrisy. They come to believers, okay, we are believers. They go to the other people, the shaitan people, they say we are with you. So everywhere they go, they make a flexibility. They are changing according to the people. They are with believers, they show as the believers. When they are with the devils, they are showing as the devils. Like people, when they are, you can see these people in the all around the world today. Especially in the Middle East today, when you see, they show to the believers, we are with you, but they show to the devils, we are with you also. Allah yastahzi'u bihim. And what they say? قَالُوا إِنَّ مَعَكُمْ. They say, surely we are with you. We are just joking with them. We are just making mockery of them. Then Allah replied to their words. Allah yastahzi'u bihim wa yamuddhum fi tughyanihim ya'mahun. And Allah mock upon them, and Allah increase them in their rebellion, in which they are. أُولَٰئِكَ الَّذِينَ اشْتَرُوا الضَّلَالَةَ بِالْهُدَىٰ. They are those who purchase, who sell, who make buy and sell their misguidance in exchange with guidance. They're supposed to spend their effort to get guidance, but now they are spending their effort to purchase the misguidance. They are purchasing the misguidance in exchange with guidance. Or they are selling the misguidance in purchase of guidance. Then what Allah said, فَمَا رَبِحَتْ تِجَارَتُهُمْ. And then not benefiting their tijara. Their trade is not benefiting. وَمَا كَانُوا مُهْتَدِينَ. And they will not be guided. So that was until yesterday. And what is the continuation for today? مَثَلُهُ كَمَثَلِ الَّذِي اسْتَوْقَدَ نَارًا فَلَمَّا أَضَاءَتْ مَا حَوْلَهُ ذَهَبَ اللَّهُ بِنُورِهِمْ وَتَرَكَهُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتٍ لَا يُبْصِرُونَ. Or their example is like the person who kindled the fire all around him, and when everything was lightened, surroundings are lightened, ذَهَبَ اللَّهُ بِنُورِهِمْ. So now these people who are disbelievers, they thought that they have these mansions, and they have these cars, and they have this money, and they think that everything is lightened, and they are with lights. ذَهَبَ اللَّهُ بِنُورِهِمْ. And their fake light is taken by Allah. وَتَرَكَهُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتٍ. And Allah leave them in darkness, and they cannot see. So either Allah will destroy all their buildings and their efforts and their the building skyscrapers, high skyscrapers, Allah will destroy all this. Or either Allah will send the death and to finish them, and they will be in darkness. So Allah take away their light, and Allah leave them in the darkness, and they cannot see. So that's the verse, next verse. And what is the next verse now? Summum bukmun umyun fahum la yarji'un. They are deaf, dumb, and blind. They are deaf, dumb, and blind. They are bingi, they are pipi, and they are bulag. Not with the bulag with the eyes, not the deaf with the ear, and not the dumb with the words, but spiritually. They cannot hear the truth, they cannot see the truth, and they cannot talk the truth. Fahum la yarji'un. Then they will not return to the right way, because Allah make them deaf, dumb, and blind. Summun bukmun umyun fahum la yarji'un. So when you keep on rejecting the truth, then Allah will put you in this condition that you become the deaf, dumb, and blind. And the last verse for now, أو كسيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين. Or the example is like the rain coming from the sky, in which there is a darkness, and there is a thunder, and there is a lightning. And because of that thunder, they put their fingers in the ears, because of the sound of the thunder and because of the fear of death. Hadar al-maut. Wallahu muhitun bil kafirin. And Allah is comprehending all the disbelievers. So, may Allah guide us. May Allah always give us light and not to be misguided. Amin. O mankind. O mga tao. Worship your Lord who created you. Worship your Lord who created you. Ya ayyuhan nasu ubudu rabbakum alladhi khalaqakum walladhina min qablikum, and He created you, those before you. La'allakum tattaqun. So you become pious, you become fearing Allah. And if you are fearing Allah, then Allah will guide you with the Quran, and Allah will guide you to the paradise and not to the hellfire. So now, generally, a khutbah now is about the Quran is the book of Allah. It is for whole mankind. This Quran is not for only Muslims. It is for every human being. Allah is talking to the human being. Ya ayyuhan nas, O mankind, O mga tao, worship your Lord. Become the slave of your God, your Lord who created you. And those before you, He created us. So you become pious. What is our object? Is to fear Allah. Why you worship? So we can fear Allah. Takut as Allah. And more we fear Allah, the more Allah bless and more Allah guide us. And Allah is continuing to saying, الَّذِي جَعَلَ لَكُمُ الْأَرْضَ فِرَاشًا وَالسَّمَاءَ بِنَاءً وَأَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَخَرَجَ بِهِ مِنَ الثَّمَرَاتِ رِزْقًا لَكُمْ فَلَا تَجْعَلُوا لِلَّهِ أَنْدَادًا وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. He who created and then Allah is mentioning about the sky and the earth and the rain and the vegetations. It's all made by Allah. Everything is good. So don't make someone equal to Allah. And you know that very well. So inshallah, important thing is to remember Allah loves us too much. And Allah cares for us too much. He gives us everything in the life. And what He needs from us is to worship Him, to follow His commandments. Allah say, why I will punish my slave if they obey me? Why Allah become angry? Because we disobey Him, then He become angry. The same thing with us, like we are fathers. We like and love our children, but when our children disobey us, we become very angry. So it is, Allah is our God. He is our Lord. We need to always obey Him, not to do evil, always do good. Follow His commandments, pray on time, fast and do good to the people, give charity to people. Don't make evil, always work for peace. As long as we follow the commandments of Allah, and as long as we don't disobey Allah, and don't do what Allah forbidden, Allah is always going to love us, and always going to bless us. So, what is our goal? To follow the commandments of Allah, so Allah can give us good life here in this, and save us from the hellfire in the next life, and bring us in paradise. May Allah guide us.